Hi friends, Amanda with Happy Hoppas here. I wanted to share with you the Hello Summer collaboration between Hello Kitty and JuJuBe. JuJuBe sent me a Super Bee and I asked in the Facebook community page what you would like to see me pack this up as. I've already done a beach bag, so I didn't want to do the same thing. I will leave a link to that below if you're interested in how to pack a Super Bee for the beach. So the most popular one was to use a Super Bee as a car bag. So like a car emergency bag, stuff that you would need, but you don't, like if you just got stranded on the road and you needed stuff, or you just ran out of it in your normal diaper bag, something just as a backup. So I put together some stuff that I had around the house and I made a car emergency bag. So here we go. This is the Hello Summer Super Bee. It is absolutely gorgeous. I will leave a link down below to all the print comparisons and on the body shots and the other video I did of all the pieces I received in this print. So we're just gonna hop onto it. All right, so paper towels, because you never know when you're gonna need paper towels. I always find myself forgetting, like if we're going through the drive-through and be like, I need napkins, and I didn't ever grab any. So the paper towels are just gonna go straight in the bag. I have a Petite. My kids are older, but you know what? When you're on the road, you never know where you're gonna be, when your kids are gonna need to go. So I like to have it just in case. I do have the Petite. Oops, there's a bag in there. So, I mean, it's not small, but I like that it's sturdy. It does fold. And then the bags are nice because they have like this cotton fabric in there. And then I bought a whole bunch of extra baggies. So I have extra baggies and then some of the bags that it came with. I like to keep it in its original bag just so it doesn't get my bag dirty. All right, so those are all gonna go in there. That gets cinched up. That's just gonna get tossed. So the paper towels and the Petite are just in the main compartment. Let's see here. I have sanitizer wipes just in case. And that's gonna go in, let's flip this around. It's gonna go in one of the front mesh pockets. So that's gonna go there. Apparently the Petite does not want to cooperate. All right, and then I have a big brand new pack of wipes, has not been opened yet, so it's a thick pack of wipes. And that is actually just gonna go right in front. So we have paper towels, wipes, Petite, and sanitizer wipes. So I feel like those are like the essentials that I would need for like me and the kids in the car. But if we ever got stranded, like a tire blew out or something, I wanna make sure I have something for the kids to keep busy with. I have like this on-the-go fashion designer kit, and then I have this drawing pad that you just, it's called a boogie board. You just draw on it. You can lock it so it doesn't, can't do it, and then you can just erase it. So I love that. This has been a lifesaver. We've had this for a couple years actually. And then I just got a drawing activity book for my son. And then I have pencils and twistables in a medium B set piece for the activity book, or if he just wants to draw. And so we're gonna put the medium B set piece in the other mesh pocket. Let's take this out real quick. So it's gonna go in this mesh pocket back here. And then I have a battery pack and cord just in case the tablets die or my phone dies and I need to, I need a backup battery pack. And that's gonna go on the other side of, that's gonna go in the same mesh pocket as the crayons. All right, and then we are gonna put the paper towel back in, and then we're gonna put the activity books. Oops. actually going to put, all right. So I did move the sanitizer wipes all the way to the side on the mesh pocket, and then I just scooted the wipes right next to it. It's not in the mesh pocket, but it is next to it, so it's kind of taking up the same amount of, it's taking up less room. And then these are gonna go back. So we have activity book, drawing pad, and the fashion designer set. And then in here I have, this is a large B-set piece. I have some shout wipes just in case. I have Band-Aids, and then some Neosporin and a sunblock stick just in case. And then last but not least, and I'm just gonna kind of toss this in there because it's flexible. And then I love this. Kind of just, oh, it got twisted. All right, so that's gonna close up. And then we're already on the back side, so I'm actually just gonna put like a little lovey blanket back here, just in case we forgot one or we need one for some reason. And then that just snaps. So there's still the zipper inside that I didn't use. And then there's these 3 pockets that I have not used. So you could stick little stickers in there, or I mean, just anything you would want. So yeah, that is how I packed the Hello Summer Super Bee for the car. And like I said, I will leave links to print comparisons and on the body shots and other ways I packed it in the description box below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, or feel free to message me on Instagram at happy.happas, H-A-P-A-S. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!